Everyone thinks the Spotify algorithm can't be gamed, but what if I told you there's one invisible trick hidden in plain sight that quietly racks up streams while you sleep, and it doesn't cost a cent? It's not a glitch, it's not a bot farm. It's just one overlooked detail that could flip your entire growth strategy.
I'm talking about playlist titles.
Yeah. That tiny line of text that most artists treat like an afterthought, it's actually one of the most powerful traffic generators on the entire platform. Because here's what nobody tells you. Spotify isn't just a music app, it's a search engine. And if your playlist title happens to match what people are typing into that search bar, you just unlocked free traffic on loop. No ads, no algorithm hacks. Just a better name. Let me show you exactly how I use this to farm streams 24/7, even while I was knocked out in a bed. When I first started trying to grow my Spotify, I thought it was all about the vibe, like the aesthetic, the mood. So I made playlists with names like Cloud Washed Echoes and Moonlight Frequencies. Beautiful? Sure. Discoverable? Not even close. People weren't typing nocturnal musings into the Spotify search bar. They were typing stuff like study vibes, sad pop 2025, or breakup songs. Then I saw another artist's playlist titled Best Indie Folk 2025 at the top of the list. Their own song. No ads, no promo, but the playlist had thousands of streams. That's when it clicked. This wasn't about artful names, it was about search behavior. So I ran an experiment. I renamed one of my ambient playlists to Meditation Morning and slid my softest tracks to the top. A week later, my album was getting discovered by total strangers. People searching for chill, instrumental music to start their day. I wasn't famous, I didn't push it. I just gave it a name people were already typing in. Here's exactly how to do it. Step 1. Before I show you the secret, let me show you who's telling it.
You help a lot of people out here, bro.
It's just so amazing that I met you, bro. I love it.
Make a song for you, so you know. I ain't even started. Got a couple things I'm working through. I ain't even started. Got lots of shit on my to-do. I'm just about to flex. That don't include. My plan is to be the best.
Step 1. Rename your playlist to match what real fans are typing. Think sad indie pop, driving music, gym pump up, or best indie rock. Step 2, put your best track right at the top. This gets autoplay priority. Step 3, write a description that mirrors the mood or moment, like late night heartbreak fuel or focus music for finals week. Simple, search based, set it and stream it. And here's the kicker. Most artists get this completely wrong. They name playlists like they're writing poetry. Nobody's searching that. So the algorithm doesn't show it. And your song, it just sits there, lonely and ignored. Think of Spotify like a search engine. And your playlist title, it's your Google headline. You either get clicks or you disappear. Let me give you a real example. One of the artists inside my program created a playlist called Best Indie Folk 2025. She put her new single at the top, didn't promote it, didn't share it. But the playlist started showing up when people searched indie folk. Her track, quietly racking up streams from total strangers. Same thing happened with a producer who uploaded his ambient project into a playlist titled Meditation Morning. Now when someone searches for meditation music, that list pops up.
You're gonna love this.
Time we had the talk.
If this video is helping you even a little bit, please subscribe, like, and comment about something I talked about in the video. I appreciate you. Let's get back into it.
I'm flattered, by the way. Thank you very much.
Here's your takeaway. Stop naming your playlists like a poet. Start naming them like a search result. Use keywords that people are actually typing. Put your song first. Add a description that seals the vibe. Bonus points. Add the current year. It makes it feel fresh and helps with SEO. And one more thing, this works even better when you're early. If you upload a playlist called Best Indie Pop 2026 before the new year hits, you get first mover advantage. People start searching early. And guess who shows up? You! With your track sitting at the top. And if you're still here, you're not just watching, you're absorbing cheat codes most artists never hear. Grab the 50 Spotify hacks from my description below for free and go to my channel for even more cheat code videos like this one.
Well, my work here is done.